Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have the game, enough rings and chaos orbs, and access to the event area. Head straight to the server with active spawns, don't wander. Once there, open your inventory and clear space for drops. This prevents lost tokens. Join a populated server to increase spawn rate and make sure auto-collect is enabled. This first phase sets you up. Without the right resources and the active spawn, you won't trigger the Luminosity Sonic drop. Now you execute the core routine, trigger the boss or event that drops Luminosity Sonic. You must meet spawn conditions, time window, ring threshold, or group size, so follow the on-screen cues. Use your best speed boosts and timed abilities to finish the encounter quickly. Faster clears improve drop chances. Once done, check the location where drops appear and grab tokens immediately. Coordinate with teammates, because synchronized attempts let you cycle spawns faster and stack probability across runs. Finish by counting the Luminosity tokens and redeeming them in the event menu. You'll see the option to unlock Luminosity Sonic. If you lack tokens after a clear, relog, and switch servers, this resets spawn tracking, then repeat the encounter. Make sure your game is updated and clear temporary inventory clutter. If tokens disappear or nothing spawns, document the issue with screenshots and report it to developers. One troubleshooting tip: relogging and changing servers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.